Behavior Breakthroughs is a computer-based, interactive training program created for parents and caregivers of children as well as adults who display challenging behaviors.
Behavior Breakthroughs is the only product I know that allows parents, caregivers to practice behavior management of challenging behaviors associated with autism, ADHD-related conditions in a real-world situation.
Using game-based technology, the realistic 3D simulation shows a virtual child engaged in challenging behaviors. As caregivers choose interventions, the child's behavior will become more or less agitated depending on the choices and timing. Behavior Breakthroughs provides the opportunity to learn and practice reinforcement skills to increase positive behaviors such as speaking.
Chip.
Chip.
And to use extinction skills to reduce behaviors such as tantrums or self-injury. To progress, the user must master different skills at each level. For example, Behavior Breakthroughs addresses the concepts of shaping, chaining, correction, functional analysis, and the teaching strategies of discrete trial, prompt fading, and errorless teaching.
Behavior Breakthroughs is the only product available that allows parents and caregivers to practice these skills in an environment without real-world consequences. Behavior Breakthroughs is structured to enhance the skills of parents and caregivers and also to improve their relationships and interactions with children who have special needs.